Good morning, shore fishing fans. Big up yourself. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Appreciate you guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, guys, and watch your ads, guys. Big up yourselves, guys. Thank you for jumping on the channel here. At the petrol station, trying to get some fuel and get that in the tank real quick. And me and Rashawn, Jamaican shore fishing Rashawn, is here, and we're about to shoot down the line, stop at a few spots, see what we can pick up. The aim is some barracudas today, hopefully, or some jacks, but let's see what we can pick up, guys. Sean's back on it again with us, guys. About to push out, throw out some lures, see what we can kill. I don't know what kind of rod reel are you using today. You still using that bait casting reel, or is it different?
No, it's
spin reel. So you using spin reel now, bro? You sold out the casting reel?
I'm not really sold out.
Yo, guys. He had the only bait casting reel that I've seen anybody use in Jamaica. He's the only person that I've seen using one. And which, you know, we was both messing around with it, and I just kept on getting tangled up on it. I'm not really that great at it, but I've done it before. But he got it perfectly well. That he was casting out pretty cool, and he was doing it. So I thought that's what he came out. But he came out with a spin reel today. So we're gonna see what we can pick up. We're heading down the line. We actually in Hanover Parish, Jamaica, right now. And we're gonna head down the line because I've tried here day before yesterday, no good. And I was here this time in the morning, so I'm like, nah, I'm not even gonna try that this morning and work the energy out that we have to work a better spot. So I got a hot spot that I'm gonna take you to. You're gonna be like, you've been there before. I'm sure you fished it before. You're from this side. All right, that's what's up. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna head down the road. All right, Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. Stop that over ends. Remember, Sean? We're on our way down the line, and we're fishing this whole area, heading back that way down. We just want to get it down here and get a head start early and get in these waters early before it gets disturbed and stuff like that. So stay tuned, guys. We're here, and we'll cast out a lure or two and test it out and see what's going on and see what we can pick up. Stay tuned, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Alright, okay, guys. Hope I don't get hitched on no grass. Alright, let's go. Let's head back to shore. Let's go find some blue pretty water here, man. Here again, guys. Back on the wall. So far, oh, a 2 kayak. They said Rashawn's ready to hook up on something today with his new rod. They say you're ready to use a new rod today and hook up something big. So we're gonna go this way a bit, guys. Work our way back this way a bit. Hey guys, I was here the other day, you know, hooked on a nice barra that got away from me too. Right in the same exact spot, guys. I hope he's still here. And he's just working his wall to see what we can pick up this morning on the on the casting this morning, guys. So, haven't gotten any feedback yet here so far. Let's see what we can pick up this morning, guys. Whew. Jumped out the water on me. Yo! It was right here, the last hookup I got right here, guys. Someplace off here. Rashawn got that longer fishing rod, so he should come down here and get some better casting. Yo! I don't think they're here after what happened the other day. He got away. When Rashawn gets down here, he has a different coloration than his lure. So, who knows how that's going to be. Cast out down here, so I hear somebody hook the other barra. Like this whole stretch right from this rock straight back to them rocks between here. Anywhere off here, you'll probably pick him up, bro. But the mistake I made, I dropped him on this wall instead of just dropping him over the damn wall like a damn ass. And I end up losing the fish. I don't know if he's still going to be around after suffering that trauma. After suffering that trauma, I wouldn't be sticking around. Okay, long jaw chasing it. Now I know it got visual. Now I know it got visual for sure, bro. You alright? Oh, I'm there. Alright, let's go down the line, bro. Sealer. I hate hitting my lure like that because it breaks them sometimes. Yeah, let's roll out. Let's go down the line, bro. We're not getting no action here. I've cast about 10 times here already and nothing, so I don't think he's here anymore. He got spooked by that hookup that I hooked him on and he left. This is what it is. Move down the line. Yo, if you're up to them sharp ass rocks, I'm not feeling them though.
But yo, we have better places to fish today, bro. Trust me. We're good like that. We're traveling light. We're not heavy. And the greatest thing is that we have our tools with us to use. Alright guys, so me and Rashan is gonna head back to the car, head down the line, and see what we can pick up at another spot. This spot is not getting any chases. We're lure fishing, guys. Totally different fishing than drop line fishing. Constant movement, constant on the go, and trying to pick up big fish. That's what's up outside. Me and Rashan is trying to scout out this new spot by coming up to a bird's eye view that we can take a look. You see those right there, bro? You see right there? That's where all them big barrels be at, bro. I know this for a fact. I kid you not, bro. That's on the other side where we want to go in, over there. Over there, so we want to go in. Oh shit, we can navigate this. Bro, we can navigate this. We can navigate these rocks, dogs. We just have to be extremely careful. Don't go on these. Let's go on to those lower ones over there. Walk across here. Don't try to go below those, because if any of them is loose and they slide, you're going to get hurt. Look, this is loose, look. So walk up top here, bro. Find a little spot to skid down on a big one. We can skid down right here, or we get away with it. But climbing back up, we can, you know what I'm saying? This is a good spot. But I guarantee you, bro, there's a barracuda or two in here. It's shallow as fudge bucket, though. We could walk the water's edge and go down, but let's go down. You ready to try? Well, here goes nothing, guys. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Stop in rock. Alright, good deal. No broke ankles today, guys. Oh shit. Rashan, you okay? Sliders, man. Friggin' sliders, man. Come on, bro G. Let's explore. This is it. Yeah, guys, we're trying to get down here. Woo, made it. This is what you call exploring shore fishing, fans. If you guys know anything about shore fishing, we for sure coming out here. Oh shit, bird scared the hell out of me. And I'm sure there's fish down here, guys. I always see these divers off here. This is crazy, Rashan. I've never been down here before. Yeah, guys, so new spot for me, guys. New spot. I was intending to go to them rocks up there a while ago, but we ended up on this side. And because I have water shoes on, I'm gonna obviously do what I normally would do. Walk the rocks. And fish, guys. This is what's up. I'm trying to get around a little bit further, guys, to see what I can possibly pick up around here. But cuz Lance used to come back here when he was younger. Alright, I got my first chase. Long jaw. Oh shit, something chasing a long jaw. Come in. Come in, bro. Come in, bro. We're not playing. Yeah, guys, we gotta navigate these rocks. Going around. But what I'm trying not to do is disturb the water too much. Yeah, there's fish in here. I see them moving in these rocks right here. And because over here is not so populated, we're going a little bit further, guys. Traditional fishing, exploring, guys. Yeah, guys, this is crazy. But, you know, in Jamaica, fishing, guys. Hey, one of us got a bingo, bro. You alright, bro? You alright? Okay. There's sea egg over here in the water, so obviously there's activity here. A lot of them under the rocks here. Nothing, bro, so far. I'm gonna have to go around this tree. Well, you can go under it, but I don't think I want to challenge that. Get a bit wet, but I'll be alright. I won't get hurt. Yeah, guys, so you gotta watch your steps when doing stuff like this. I'm trying to get around closer to that pier because I know its structure. Barracudas, jacks, big fish love hanging out. So I'm trying to work my way around, guys. This is crazy. I've never been around here before because we don't have access. They used to let us fish on it, but I don't know what happened. So I'm just trying to get in this clearing real quick so I can get a few casts here. And I see a fence down and all kinds of shit. I didn't do it, but I see a way in, and there's nobody in their mother down here. Let's do this. This is exciting, guys. This shit's all torn down. There's nobody in their mother back here. This is the old molasses pier, guys. They used to export molasses out of. And look at this open spot right here. Oh, holy shit. Roshan, look at this. Look over here, Roshan. Nobody fishes over here, bro. Nobody. Bro, let me get a cast over here real quick. I know there's something over this motherfucker. But I seen Gussie and their brothers come down here too. You know that, right? So I'm not even wasting time. Come back here and I hit that pier up. I'm going on the pier. You hear me? I'm going on the pier. If you hook up something, call to me. Shore Fishing giving you the sneak preview of this. Ain't nobody done this before. Yeah, this thing is collapsing. You don't want to really be on it either. But just got to be extremely careful, guys. Wow, guys, bird's eye view. See if I can pick something up here real quick, guys. So, we just walked the water line back there. I'm gonna change off and go with a bigger lure in a second, guys. Definitely bigger lure in a second. Alright guys, here what's going on. I see a whole bunch of fryers here. So what I'm gonna drop this between the pylons and send that lure all the way down there and see what we can pick up. How far is it going down? It's still going down, guys. Still taking line. Yo, that's seriously deep. You wanna ramp with the big boys? Wanna run kitty kitty kitty, run kitty kitty cat cat. Yeah, somebody been out here fishing though. People has been out here fishing a lot. It's not just now. People come out here fish on a regular basis. Yeah, I seen something big underneath this pier right here in the front. That lure ain't gonna hold him from the Lentai pier right there. So. New spot, guys. Nothing. God damn it. Am I too late this morning? And Rashan, a good rated spot this too, you know? A good spot this too, you know? I want to get a flight off the drone though. You heard? I want to get a flight off the drone. Just got the drone up in the air. Just got a few shots, guys, of the pier, so you guys can see that. Check that out. Rashawn's getting a nice little cast out. If a barrow is here and he sees this lure, he's gonna smash it. Not even a question, guys. But I guess they're not here. I haven't gotten any attention of any. I guess they move out from here in the morning time, come back here at nights. I don't know. I'd have to come back here another time and fish the area. But like I said, guys, this is my first time exploring this place. And trying it out. See what we can grab. So we're about to head back up them high rocks. On that beach and up them high rocks. Back through that mud. Back up to the car, guys. Check this out, a whole bunch of steel under there. Creates a little reef for the fish. It's giving too much trouble to take out the fucking. Let's go. Moving along this wall. This got bushed up. I'm not even trying to go through that grass, bro. Watch that. I'll go over here. Watch your step, you know. Yeah, this is the next spot, guys. I got this new lure that New Look gave me, sent for me. Popper, I'm gonna try it down here. The water's a little bit deeper, and I can work with it down here more. And to this point that I spotted this big barracuda one time. I've caught a few big jackfish down here, guys. Wicked, wicked jackfish. I think this is the part where I jumped off the cliff that time. So. Hey, you know what this popper does? It makes a feeding sound. So one more cast off this popper, guys. See what's up. Nothing on the popper. Oh well. Cast to the left, the breeze is blowing this way, so you'll get a further cast that way. Come good on someone. Dunso is a bit of lower line and there's more reef structure. And it's not as deep as here. But it's deep. So what you try to do is use a white silver lure at this place. Anything white or silver. Here guys, we'll move down guys. I got my big rod with me just in case. And I got my heavy. Let's go down further, bro. Difficult terrains to battle, guys. Not easy. More time when we go out on the hunt, sometimes when you're not getting the result that you desire at one spot, the best thing you can do is move to the next location and see what, when you cast out, if you're going to get a better cast out, a better swim on the lure, and fish chasing. So right now we casted out 2 casts up here just now, and we didn't see any fish chasing at all. So we're kind of late for this spot still, but I know within 9 o'clock, it's now 9:39, we get down that side, we'll probably pick up a jackfish. So we're gonna work it. We're gonna go down there, check it out. Sister's sitting here fishing too. Morning, morning, morning. Morning. Anything yet? How you guys doing this morning? Got anything yet? Okay. Somebody broke their rod tip. Somebody rod broke. I said somebody rod tip broke.
Yeah, my line broke.
Oh wow, fish bite it? Oh wow. Morning, bossy.
Yeah, man.
Doesn't matter whether you hook up or I hook up, bro. One of us is gonna hook up today. Yeah, guys. Get that line and see. Oh, we got him, got him? Jack? Yeah, bro, go ahead, go for it again. I told you, bro. If they see that, that's what's up. All right, let's move down. Nothing on the popper yet, guys. Get one more check right here. Tutush. Movements to me. Hey guys, we're moving. I'm gonna go down to this other spot. Trying to get down here real quick before the time runs any later and past 10 o'clock on me. Rashawn is still working. There's a few spots right here. Rashawn, chuck right here, son. You'll hook up on, there's a cave under here. There. Give Rashawn that high end up there, let him work that side. Give me a little room too, guys. So we both can work comfortably. And good like that. That's one of my favorite spots right here. Jamaican shore fishing, Jamaican lure fishing, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, guys, and watch the ads, guys, please. Here, guys. Looking for a jack, a barra. Anything that's patrolling the water right about now, because the time's getting late on me. Come on, baby boy, where you at? You guys' eyesights are perfect. Giving you that twitch, and I'm not getting the results that I want. That's not good. Checking out these spots, guys. Working it. Safer for us to walk around. But this shit's kind of deep. I thought it was shallow, that we could actually step across. It is shallow around the edges right here. You just got to walk around the back edges of it. That's it. And there is sea eggs sitting in the sand here. Watch out, hold out here. You see something move after I look a while, you know? You see them structure are nice, Roshan? And them structure are nice for reef fishing, you understand? Fish have some place to live and hide. So this is what fish, certain fish love because of their ambush predators, guys. So I'm gonna move down a little bit further. Now move down on the rocks on here, so here. Forward if you want. There's a little cave under here. Spooky! A little cove back there, guys. So under the bridge. Come down there. We're coming up here now. It's a real tricky off the cliff drop. Look at that drop down there, guys. Gotta be extremely careful when climbing in these places. And going through. This is the old fort. Old war fort. Look. You see where the cannons used to point through these windows, protecting the bay. And careful, bro. So maybe I'll get a cast or two on this side. This is crazy, but I'm sure there's more space to walk around. Yes, there is, right here. We'll walk around this, bro. Give this a shot. We're exploring. Look at this. I haven't been around here yet. Oh, there's birds up here. Let's go around here and look. Yeah, this fort was built on a rock, guys. They wasn't playing when they built this thing. Whoop whoop. Definitely don't want to fall from up here. Scary shit. Only shore fishing takes you on these levels, guys. ledge over here. Watch that piece of board, make sure there's no nails. Nice little ledge over here, guys. Not that deep. Looks like it's about 5 to 10 feet deep. Might be a barra over here hanging around. Got a lizard fish hit after it a while ago, guys. Did you guys just see that? Fish just hit after it a while ago. Get that down there. Fish on, guys. Barracuda. Woohoo! Barra. Get them over here. Yo! We wasn't gonna strike nail today, guys. That is it, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Got him. That is it, guys. I knew I seen him hit after the lure over there a while ago. Rashan, I seen him hit after the lure once, you know. I was like, yeah, you're there. You're not going anywhere today. Shore fishing hooked you today, guy. That's what's up. Thank you, guys. Big up yourself, Jamaican shore fishing. Please like, share, and subscribe, and watch the ads. Look at that bad boy. Shore fishing. That is it, shore fishing. We are out here. That's what's up. Yeah, man. Let's get the next one in. Bang, bang. Just like that, guys. Outside. Me and Rush on the out here, so guys. That do it thing. Shore fishing. Yeah, man. Yeah, shore fishing. Just hit that barrel just now. I seen him chase the lure, man. I was like, damn, man, how am I going to lift him up in this height? And thank God I had 15-pound line on here, Rashan. Here, guys, this little exploration came around this side. And one more. You seen him? One more, just chase it just now. Rashan, get a cast, come on. Oh. That bird's eye view up here, boy, gives you the advantage because you're spotting them from a mile away. Chasing the lure, and then you know either slow up, speed up, or whatever the case, you know what I'm saying? So it gives you that opportunity. Damn, that rock scratched my arm. I didn't know it cut me. There's no other spots around here from the roof to cast around here. Okay, cast, bro. Get some casting. Side cast? Yeah. Like do an overhead side cast like this. And just whip him. You see it clear? And work it from across the other side of the clear, come across the clear to the dark. So that's where I seen him at. Right across that in that clear coming towards it. Yo, bro, you know that we work from that side over there? From the pier? Look, that's where we was. We worked that whole entire harbor come around, you know? That's crazy, you know, dogs. And not only that, we worked on the other side up the road. Yo, I seen something come up right here a while ago. I don't know if it was a long jaw or something. But yo, you gotta watch for these things. While you fishing, bro, your eyes gotta be peeled. You seen this black grassy area? That's why I made my way around here, you know. Cause I know saying that this grassy area, there's gonna be some sort of barra hanging out. They like to hang out in the grass. They ambush. You never heard that song called Barracuda? Huh? So that means that they're in here on this side. That means they're going to be down at that building down there then. I stopped in that corner, caught a real big one. Did you hitch up? Huh? In the tree? Huh? Can you get it out? Hold on, don't pull upon it. How far is it? Can you climb down and reach? Let me see, where's that? Alright, wind up your rod and push your rod out further. Climb down here. Wind up your rod all the way up. Watch the sliders if do me, I beg you. Yes, I'm not deep. And push out your rod all the way out. Yeah, see this up on the leaf, that's man. I leave this, I hold it right, that's all. And that the leaf, that's all. Yeah. Alright, so clear this line first, where your line is at here with your rod tip. Use your rod tip, wind up the line, and use your rod tip and guide it. Yes. Take your time. Don't pull on the line now. You see the lure? Don't pull on it. Then you wind up the line and bring the rod tip to the lure. You understand? And then lift the lure off of it. Oh, we a blood clot done this so. You lose that, you know? Or you have to go in the water. One of the two. No, you can't go down. No, look here. You can't go down right there, you know? But the problem is the water is a little bit deep. I'm growing this and see if anything. Options. What's next? I don't want to go back up in and this grass here. Pull the line. Huh? Tap the line a little bit. Don't pull it hard. Alright, me see it. Me see it. Chance me I'll take a do them folk for you now. Brother? Oh boy. Rock stone, we turn up and down here. You catch from the line now to Ross. Hit a hard pull now. Quick pull. Yeah?
Hold on, I know I'm pulling you with your rod.
Alright, on the leaf there, you know, they're around the limb. Yeah? They catch one bar already, man. But in lower get hitch up, so I try loose up. Well, I hit that Calta last, bro. I lost 3 in one day the other day. Part of the game. Oh shit, guys. This is crazy. Alright, let me get my tools. Yeah. If you're making sure fishing, that's it. It's a wrap for this spot. Lure Sean lost his lure. It's alright, bro, don't worry about it. Common assault. Huh? Alright. Alright, let's get out of this spot right here. This spot's kind of congested. We're gonna have to crawl through this hole, bro. Holy fudge bucket. The things we do for fishing. Fuck. What's that about? Oh shit, barrow spot. Barrow territory around here, bro. But the problem is you can't cast, because if you cast, you're gonna get hitched up down here. There's barrows all in here, bro. I could see it. They'll love hanging out near the shade and the grass to ambush in the clear. They're gonna love that shit. A good spot I can't get to. This is the old fort, guys. Old Fort Charlotte, Lucy Hanover. This old fort that they have here that used to defend the bay from invading forces. We gotta walk all the way around? Oh shit. We gotta go around. Alright, well better yet, guys, you guys get to see a full round scale view of this. All the old cannons still on their rails and tracks. They used to shoot, come all the way back on that, load them back up again, slide them forward, shoot again. Yo, alright. Yo, when one of these cannonballs hit anything, bro, yo, legs crack off, ribs break, head come off, buildings go down. These things killed a lot of people. So, that is it, sure fishing. Heard I got that phone call from Mikey a while ago saying that somebody stole 2 of our goats from the farm, and it's friggin' upsetting, man. We work so hard to build our herd, and then you have some low life go and steal your stuff. I don't know what else to say, bro. Pieces of shit, bro, that can't work and get their own stuff. That got nothing else better to do in life. You know what I mean? You work so hard to build yourself up for some low life like that, stealing somebody's goat. If we catch you, that's a different ball game now. You know how we gonna handle you.